What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, to start off this video, I might ask you a simple question. How many AI that you have already know to generate the video? Let's say there is the VO3 in the Google Gemini AI, or maybe 1 2.2, or even the Sora 2 and Hailuo AI. Yes guys, those are one of the coolest and also the best AI that can help you to generate the image. And if you need another preference to create the AI video, so you can try this Kling AI. Yes guys, in this video I'd like to share you how to create the video from this Kling AI. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So guys, this will be the Kling AI, and here I am accessing it with my PC to get more spacious view, by the way. And don't worry, because this AI also accessible from the smartphone or even the tab guys. And in the Google, you'll find the Kling AI like this. And also don't forget to do the login first feature email to have the access to try this tools and also try to generate the video. And this will be the home page of the Kling AI. And before you get this one, you will also get asked by the several questions, maybe about the purpose or your occupation. You can choose which one, and after that it will bring you into this home page. Not only the tools, and you will also find a lot of creations from another user. For example, this video like this. As you can see, this is one of the coolest video and also looks very realistic, and also you can see the information and also even the prompt guys if you would like to try it. And you can also give it the like or even the follow this user. And you can also see the picture, because this Kling AI not only help you to create the video but also the image guys. And how to try to create the video. So you can start to click this one. However, you need to make sure about the credit that you have. And don't worry, because for the new user, this Kling AI also very generous, because they will give you 166 credits. And also it will show you the expired date. And if you are interested to buy or purchase their package, you can start to choose the package like the monthly and also the yearly. The yearly and monthly over here, and you can choose which one do you prefer. And you can see the detail every single package over here. And we can go back to this video, and this is the section to start the video generation. You can generate or transform the text or the prompt into the video, or even the image into the video guys. And you can put the picture like this, for example, and also create or put the prompts into this section. And you will see the several settings over here. For the sound effect, and for the first time using, you will have the chance to have the sound effect, and you can activate it. And you can also see the setting of the integrated sound with the video generation. And for this professional, you need to upgrade it into the pro version. And you can also change the duration, whether that 5 seconds video or 10 seconds video. And for this section, you have the chance to create one output video. And if you would like to create it more than one, so you need to upgrade this package into the pro version. I'm sorry in advance, guys. I guess that the only professional mode here is available with the video 2.5 turbo, and we have already put it into 2.5 turbo like this, so it can or it will be able. I'm sorry in advance. And as you can see, to create the video, you will consume 25 credits to generate it. And after that, you can click this one and the video will be shown in this section, guys. And you can also change the model. For example, I will choose the video over here. Ooh, it will also consume another level of the credits, 35. And to create it as the master, it will consume 100 credits. And if you choose this one video 1.6 tuning visual with the video element, it will consume 35 credits. And for this 1.5, it will consume same 35 credits. So which one do you prefer? And after that, you can click generate and kindly wait for the result. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this Kling AI. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.